Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're looking at sum all units sold by sales rep, location, and greater than. Looks like we have a bunch of different criteria. We don't. We have 3 different examples here. First one is just find units sold by Adam. We want to know units sold in Michigan. Then we want units sold greater than 90. Very simple. We're just going to use SUMIF. What does SUMIF do? Sums numbers that meet a criteria. That's it. A criteria. Keep that in mind because we're going to have another function, SUMIFs, which is multiple criteria. So we're going to look at B5 to B16. If we find a true, if we find Adam, add up that matching row. What if there's multiple Adams? SUMIF is going to grab the first. Here, all we're going to do is switch Adam for Michigan. We want to recognize our location as our range based on our criteria and then our sum range. Units sold, going to change the operator. We're going to hard code this. I suggest you put a quasi filter up here so you can change it on the fly up here instead of having to go in and modify the formula. Just do the same thing. What's so different about this? Well, D5, D16 is our range. We're referencing our range, which is units sold, based on, well, D5, D16. Read it if you need it. This is a long narrative. Brad Williams, XL Prime.